In front of me is Motorola Moto G60, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Just open Settings and scroll all the way down to access passwords and accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google under Autofill service and select Google Password Manager. Now it's time to select Add Password in Passwords section and input all of those informations. At the top, you can pick any website or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number. Password and even some helpful notes. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!